Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are gonna cover chapter 8, forces and laws of motion, mind map, and also some equations and derivation of the second law of motion, and topic wise points. So let us begin with this video. Mind map. First there is force, that means push or pull. It's of two types, balanced or unbalanced. What effects it has as a unit, is it a vector or scalar quantity, how to calculate force. Then the laws of motion, simple. Then equation, force is equal to mass into acceleration momentum, p is equal to mass into velocity. Derivation, as we know, the change of momentum is equal to my subtraction of both the initial and final momentums. So the rate of change of momentum is equal to this by time. So the applied force is equal to, and this F is equal to m multiply v minus u by time, meaning mass multiply initial and final velocity subtraction by time, which is equal to ma, as a is equal to v minus u by t. Then comes the topic wise notes. Balanced and unbalanced forces, easy explanation. Then remember, always there is one force and opposite friction. Balanced forces have net force 0, and while unbalanced forces have net force not equal to 0. Balanced forces can make an object at rest or at uniform motion, while unbalanced forces can make them at non-uniform motion. First law of motion, easy explanation, and here is the application. So basically it tells us about that if we Galileo observed that if we pass an object through an inclined plane, it may go till that height only. So by this we can say that it on a plane surface it will go to infinity, but this cannot happen because friction may act against it. It was observed by Newton, and so the first law is all objects resist change in their state of motion, which is called inertia. Then inertia, greater mass, greater inertia, less mass, lesser inertia. Inertia is the natural tendency of an object to resist any change in the state of motion, either they are at rest or at motion. The mass of an object is measure of its inertia. Then 8.4, second law of motion, which tells us about momentum, which is defined as m, which is equal to mass, and v, which is equal to velocity. The higher the momentum, the higher the force. It is a vector quantity with SI unit kg multiply meter per second. Change in momentum requires force. So the second law of motion states that rate of change of momentum is proportional to force applied in unbalanced way. Here is the mathematical formulation which we have talked earlier also. Then comes this, that force is a vector quantity and has unit kg multiply meter per second square, which is also expressed as Newton, which is its SI unit. Then application. Then third law of motion, which is simply expressed as force applied is equal to force exerted. Then application. So in the next video we will be covering this exercise. So till that time, please like and subscribe my channel, and also don't forget to share. Also comment a nice comment. If you have any doubt, you may also ask in the comments. Your reply matters to us a lot. Thank you for viewing my video. Please like and subscribe my channel. I have made these shortest notes possible. You may not find the shorter notes on YouTube or any platform. So for that, please like and subscribe my channel, and surely visit to my channel for such more videos. Thank you.